G'day legends. So day 2 Morton Island trip with Stratus crew, and we've been surfing all morning. We absolutely scored it and we're completely buggered again, but we're starving. On the way home, saw some birds hitting the water, some fish busting up, and we decided to cast a line in. We're lucky enough to grab 3 beautiful sized dart. Dart are one of the sweetest fish you can get from the beach. My favourite thing with dart to make is a ceviche. So I'm going to quickly fillet these, bang it in the bowl, make my little ceviche, let it sit for 20 minutes in the fridge. We're going to eat it with some chips by the campfire.